let's start our class. Yesterday we discussed in page number 9 do the following divisions. Okay, open page number 9 and see 20 seconds on do the following divisions. Yesterday I told in class 4 problems and I gave homework 4 problems and after 9th problem. See here 4960 divided by 14. So we know that this is divided and this is divisor. So 4960 and here 14. First of all I am writing 40 table here. 14 into 1, 14, 14 into 2, 28, 14 into 3, 42, 14 into 4, 56 and 14 into 5, 70. Okay, see here we have 49 we have. So 49 is in between these two numbers 42 and 56. So we have to take nearer value. మనం దగ్గరగా ఉన్న value తీసుకోవాలి. So I am taking 3 times. 14 into 3 we know that 42. Now do subtraction here. Subtraction. So 9 minus 2 7 and 4 minus 4 0. Okay. Now I am taking this carry to here. It becomes 76. I am taking another 14 into 6. 84. Okay. 76 is in between these two numbers. So we have to take what value? Nearer value and which is smaller than 76. మనం దగ్గరగా ఉన్న వాల్యూ తీసుకోవాలి. దాంతో పాటు ఆ నెంబర్ 76 కన్నా తక్కువగా ఉండాలి. So I am taking 70. How many times it is? 5 times. So I am writing 5 here. 5 times 14 into 5 70. Subtract 6 minus 0 6, 7 minus 7 0 here. Now I am taking this 0 to here. Okay, it becomes 60 now. It becomes 60. 60 how many times? Here 56 and 70. So we have to take nearer value and it is 4 times. Take subtraction, do the subtraction here and 60 minus 56 4. So 4 is what? 4 is called remainder and it is coefficient. Okay children, see next problem, 10th one. Here 8196 divided by 19. So we know that 8196 divided by 19. So 19 table, 19 into 1 19, 19 into 2 38, 19 into 3 57, 19 into 4 76, 19 into 5 95. Okay, see here 81 is in between these two numbers 76 and 95. So we have to take nearer value and lesser than 81. So I am taking 4 times. It is 76. Subtraction here. So 81 minus 76. It becomes 5. See here, I am taking 1 borrow to here. It becomes 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 minus 6 5. And 7 minus 7 0. Now I am taking this 2 down here. It becomes 59. It becomes 59. See here 59 is in between 57 and 76. So lesser value and nearer value is 57. It is 3 times. 19 3 is 57. So I am taking 57 here. Subtraction 9 minus 7 2 and 5 minus 5 0. Okay. Now I am taking this 6 to here and 26. One time 1 into 19 19. 26 minus 19 equal to 7. This 7 is called remainder and this is coefficient. Okay children, see the 11th problem. 3892 divided by 15. See here, first I am taking 15 table, 15 into 1, 15, 15 into 2, 30, 15 into 3, 45, 15 into 4, 60, 15 into 5, 75, 15 into 6, 90. Okay. See here 38. So nearer value is 30. So I am taking 2 times. 52 is 30. 38 minus 30 is equal to 8. 38 minus 30 is equal to 8. I am taking 9 down to here and 89 it is. 89 is 5 times. 75 is nearer value. So 5 times here 75. 89 minus 75. 9 minus 5 4 and 8 minus 7 1. 14 we have. So I am taking this 2 to here. It is 142. So take more times. 105. 15 into 8 120. 15 into 9 135. And 15 into 10 150. So it is in between 135 and 150. So we have to take 9 times. 9 times 15 nines 135 and the remainder is 7. 142 minus 135. So this 7 is remainder and 259 here is coefficient. Okay children. Okay children, see the next one. For the problem 9898 divided by 16. So I am taking 16 table here. 16 into 1 16, 16 into 2 32, 16 into 3 48, 16 into 4 64, 16 into 5 80 and 16 into 6 96. Okay, see here 16 is a divisor here and 9898 is divided and here 98 we have. So 98 is nearer to 96. So I am taking 6 times. Now 16 into 6 96. Do subtraction here. 8 minus 6 2 and 9 minus 9 0. Okay. See here I am taking 9 to here. It becomes 29 now. 29 is 1 time. 1 into 16 16. Do subtraction here. 9 minus 6 3 and 2 minus 1 1. So I am taking down this 8 138. See here 16. See here children, 16 into 7 112, 16 into 8 128 and 16 into 9 144 and 16 into 10 you know that easily 160. Okay. See here 138 here. Here 138 is in between 128 and 144. So we have to take this value. So it is 8 times 8 into 16 128. So subtraction here 8 minus 8 0, 3 minus 2 1 and 1 minus 1 0. So the remainder is 10. Remainder is 10. And coefficient is 618. Coefficient is 618. Okay children. Okay children, open page number 9 in that 22nd question and homework problems are 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, homework problems are 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay children, thank you, see you tomorrow.